Hello students, welcome in my YouTube series. Here's Dr. Jayashree Saxena, Assistant Professor in Science Department of Arts, Commerce and Science College, Panvel. Today we are discussing about differential equations. So what is differential equation? A differential equation is an equation that relates one or more functions and their derivative. Differential equation क्या है? It is the equation जिसमें one or more functions होते हैं and their derivatives, उनके derivatives होते हैं. In applications, the functions generally represent physical quantities. The derivatives represent their rates of change. Derivatives already we have learned in earlier classes. So derivative means rate of change, and the differential equation defines a relationship between two. Such relations are common. Therefore, differential equations play a prominent role in many disciplines, including engineering, physics, economics, and biology. There is one differential equation that everybody probably knows, that is Newton's second law of motion. If an object of mass is moving with acceleration a and being acted on with force F, then Newton's second law tells us F is equal to m into A. Mass into acceleration. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. That is the Newton's second law of motion. To see this is in fact a differential equation. We need to rewrite it a little. First, remember that we can rewrite the acceleration A in one of two ways. अब जो acceleration है उसको हम two types से लिख सकते हैं. A is equal to dv by dt और A is equal to d2u by dt square, where v is the velocity of the object and u is the position function of the object at any time t. We should also remember at this point that is the force F may also be a function of time, velocity and position. Now an example, and function with the function y and its derivative dy by dx. यहाँ पर एक example given है differential equation का. So y plus dy by dx is equal to 5x. So which is the derivative? Derivative is the dy by dx. Okay. So an function with an equation with the function y and its derivative is dy by dx. Creating a differential equation is the first major step. अब किसी differential equation को create करना is the first step, but we also need to solve it to discover how. So how do we solve them? अब उसको हम किस तरीके से solve करेंगे? पहले तो discover कैसे होगा and then उसको solve कैसे करेंगे? So over the years, people have worked out special methods to solve some types of differential equations. So first we need to know what type of differential equation it is. It is like travel. Different kinds of transport have solved how to get to certain places. Is it near? So we can just walk. यदि घर के पास होगा तो हम पैदल चल के जा सकते हैं. Is there a road? So we can take a car. अभी थोड़ा दूर हुआ और रोड पर हुआ तो हम कार से जाएंगे. और is it in another galaxy and we just can't get there yet? या फिर हम किसी और कन्वेंस को यूज करेंगे. Now what is order and degree? अब order and degree का differential equation में बहुत बड़ा part होता है. The order is the highest derivative. Is it a first derivative? Is it a second derivative, etc. It depend करता है equation पर. So now we have given an example. d2y by dx to power 3 plus dy by dx plus y is equal to 4x power 5. Which is the order and which is the degree in this equation? So d2y by dx. So 2 2 is the order of this equation. And power 3, d2y by dx2 power 3. So 3 is the degree. Now more examples. dy by dx plus y square is equal to 5x. So it has only the first derivative, dy by dx. So it is first order. Its order is 1 only. Now another example, d2y by dx2 plus xy is equal to sin x. It is a second derivative, d2y by dx2. So its order is 2. Clear? Now degree. So what is degree? The degree is the exponent of the highest derivative. Now example, dy by dx whole square plus y is equal to 5x square. The highest derivative is just dy by dx and it has an exponent of 2. So this is the second degree. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे dy by dx whole square है, that is the degree. So its degree is 2. In fact, it is a first order second degree ordinary differential equation. Now another example, d3y by dx3 plus dy by dx whole square plus y is equal to 5x square. So the highest derivative is d3y by dx3, but it has no exponent. So this is first degree. The exponent of 2 on dy by dx, it's not count as it is not the highest derivative. इसमें हमको किसको count करना है? Highest derivative को ही count करना है. So it is a third order first degree ordinary differential equation. Now linear. It is linear when the variable and its derivatives has no exponent or other function put on it. So no y square, y cube, under root y, sin y, log y, etc. Just plain y or whatever the variable is. So linear differential equation is in the form dy by dx plus pxy is equal to qx. Now there are so many types of differential equations into several types. Number 1, the ordinary differential equation. Number 2, partial differential equation, linear differential equation, non-linear differential equation, homogeneous differential equations, non-homogeneous differential equations. So there are so many types of differential equations. Now we will describe in other lecture. So now differential equations solutions. How to find solution? So there exist two methods to find the solution of the differential equation. अब किसी भी differential equation को solution को find करने के लिए दो methods होती हैं, separation of variables and integrating factor. Separation of the variable is done when the differential equation can be written in the form of dy by dx is equal to fy into gx, where f is the function of y only and g is the function of x only. And integrating factor, it is the technique is used when the differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus pxy is equal to qx, where p and q are both the function of x only. The higher order differential equation is an equation that contains derivatives of an unknown function which can be either a partial or ordinary derivative. It can be represented in any order. उसको हम किसी भी order में represent कर सकते हैं. Now some examples of differential equations. Find the general solution for the differential equation. अभी हमें एक differential equation का general solution find करना है. Equation is dy plus 7x dx is equal to 0. So first we simplify. Need to subtract 7x dx from both sides. Then insert integral sign and integrate. तो देखिए dy is equal to minus 7x dx. Now integration both sides. The integration of dy is equal to minus integration of 7x dx. So answer is minus 7x square plus k. Now here is the graph of the particular solution we found. अभी उसी को देखो हम ग्राफ पर भी किस तरीके से प्लॉट कर सकते हैं. जो सॉल्यूशन हमने फाइंड किया है यदि हम उसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं तो इट विल बी लाइक दिस. दिस इज द पैराबोला. Okay, solution of this equation. Now another example. Find the particular solution of y dash is equal to 5. Given that when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. So now solution. We can write y dash is equal to 5 as a differential equation. dy is equal to 5 dx. This आपको क्या करना है? सबसे पहले उसको differential equation की फॉर्म में लिखना है. Means dy is equal to 5 dx. Integrating both sides gives y is equal to 5x plus k. Now applying the boundary condition. We have given x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. We have k is equal to 2. So y is equal to 5x plus 2. Now another example. Find the particular solution of y triple dash is equal to 0. Given that y0 is equal to 3, y dash 1 is equal to 4, y double dash 2 is equal to 6. Since y triple dash is equal to 0, when we integrate once we get y double dash is equal to a is a constant. Integrating again gives y dash is equal to ax plus b and ab are constants. Now once more, again one example. Y is equal to ax square upon 2 plus bx plus c. Now a, b and c are constants. So the boundary conditions are y0 is equal to 3, y dash 1 is equal to 4, y double dash 2 is equal to 6. So we need to substitute these values into our expressions for y double dash and y and our general solution. So y is equal to ax square upon 2 plus bx plus c. Now y0 is equal to 3 gives c is equal to 3 and y double dash 2 is equal to 6 gives a is equal to 6. So y double dash is equal to 6 for any value of x in this problem since there is no x terms. Finally, y dash is equal to 1 is equal to 4 gives b is equal to minus 2. So the particular solution for this equation is y is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 3. Now checking the solution by differentiating and substituting initial conditions. So y dash is equal to 6x minus 2. क्यों? जब हम 3x स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, this is the 6x. So y dash 1 is equal to 6 into 1 minus 2, that is 4. So y double dash is equal to 6 and y double dash is equal to 0. So our answer is correct. This is the differential equation. I hope you will be understand of differential equation. Okay, so we will meet in next lecture.